are we?
Police.
The police station. This big building is a massive police station. And we're here today because the first step to getting a car registered on the road is you need a special certificate from the police that approves you for getting the car because you have a car park space available for that car. It's like a whole system they created to stop people owning multiple cars, and then there's people like me that have 10. So it doesn't work too well. Hey you, yeah, I'm talking to you. Why are you not subscribed? No excuses. YouTube statistics doesn't lie. Why are you not subscribed? And at the very least, why are you not following me on Instagram? Don't you know that is where you get all the really cool, like behind the scenes stuff? Anyways, I don't know who you are, but I am gonna find you. And when I do, I'm gonna give you a sour gummy worm. Anyways, let's get back to the video. We are now done with the police station. I can't film in there, but it is very, very hectic, and a lot of like paperwork is done for just pretty much general living in Japan at the police station. Now what's really, really frustrating is we have to wait 3 days for them to give us a piece of paper that says we're allowed to register a car on the road and get a number plate for it because we have a car park for it. They say that they might come and actually check the car park too, so to make sure it's real and it's there and there's no problem. So it's frustrating, but this is Japan, and yeah, this is what you have to deal with here. So we'll pick up this vlog, I guess, in 3 days when I'm back here probably by myself picking up the shaken shiome, the paperwork, so then we can then take the Z and get it registered.
One eternity later.
3 days later, leaving the police station, and we got our permission slip for parking a car, which now means we can get the car registered.
I don't understand why it takes 3 days to just make this.
I know. The guy actually said that there was a mistake with the VIN number. He wanted the Z with the little line in the middle so that it didn't look like a 2 or something. So we had to adjust that, and then he just walked out the back, printed it, and came back in less than a minute. So it took the guy less than a minute to make that, but we had to wait 3 days for it. So I don't understand Japan's paperwork system. It's weird like that. But now we can go get the Z and take it to the shucken inspection place and get shucken. I'm sure there's gonna be a couple light bulbs and stuff like that we need to replace. So we're gonna go through the whole shucken process today. Hopefully by the end of the day, we can drive the Z on the streets.
Yes.
Do some skids, eh?
Yes.
Well, not on the street, of course. We'd never do that. Taking a quick moment to tell you about today's video sponsor, which is Dafsky. Dafsky sells air fresheners for your ride, and it doesn't matter what car you have, whether it's a D1 GP spec S15 or a K-Van. Dafsky has you covered with an air freshener, particularly their new AC vent clip-on ones are amazing. And now this car doesn't smell like sweaty Japanese men, including myself, but smells beautiful. Dafsky has a bunch of different scents that I know you guys are gonna love. Like these new ones here, Frozen Tundra and Black Canyon, as well as, I can't forget, the one that I collaborated with them on, the Sakura Japanese scented one. Go ahead to dafsky.com right now and grab yourself an air freshener for your ride, and make sure you support the companies that support me. We would not be able to do the things that we're doing today without them. So go give them some love, guys, and let's get back to the video. All right, so we're here with Rohab helping me out. So we have the Z here, and this is like it's like a shucken pre-inspection place. So what they do is that you bring your car in, they check everything, and they'll pretty much tell you like if anything needs to be changed, any light bulbs blown or anything like that. Now it turns out with the Z, there's actually a few little issues with it. They have to clean the front headlights. So they're polishing them and removing all of the yellowness out of the lens, and that way they're gonna give it a polish as well, because apparently with the light tester, there was an issue where the light was too dull. So they have to fix that first. They're polishing them, replacing one light bulb I think was blown as well. Jeez, look at the difference in that already. That's insane. Whatever that chemical was, I want it. Dude, that's ridiculous. Yeah. They look brand new. Oh, I was gonna get a Nissan and just buy them, but okay. Look at this. So they're doing all of this instantly, right after we literally just brought it through. $30, right? Like 30 US dollars.
Yeah, that's not much. $30 to do both the headlights, so I guess it's a good deal.
That's a pretty good deal. I'm pretty happy about that. So there, no time, we should pass shucken. There's really nothing wrong with the car mechanically. It drives amazing.
Yeah, brakes were good, e-brake was good. The gas was good on it as well. Headlights, everything works, taillights, reverse lights, so I think it passed the shucken.
Yeah.
And the fact that, does it have a tint? Is that tinted?
No, that's OEM factory.
Okay, then it should pass.
Yeah, it's all factory. I checked that before. Damn, double teaming them. All right, well, hopefully next clip is we'll be passing Shucken, hopefully. And I got to sneak a camera in there because you're not supposed to film inside the Shucken place, but we do. We'll be fine. The guys are just finishing up that light bulb replacement. Actually, fun fact, I didn't know to change light bulbs in the Z headlights. You have to go through the fender well there. So that's kind of annoying. But there is an R31 GTS-T in there currently getting inspected. Looks super nice with the old school RB20. I want one so bad. All right, so we're going back in for another check, but look how nice those headlights look now. Damn, looking brand new. So this is the machine here that checks and tests the lights to make sure the beams are in the right location. And you can see then he makes the adjustment there with the screwdriver to pull it in till we get that little green marker there. So he's gonna keep adjusting them until we're all in the green. It's kind of like an alignment rack, it's kind of cool. And then we're all good for the Shucken after this. And now begins Shucken process. Got this huge line here. It's probably gonna take 20 minutes before we get the Z from the back all the way into the center. And this is where like you go on rollers, they check brakes, they check to make sure like everything's all good. They check under the car for suspension and modifications and all that kind of stuff. In this line is where they're going to check like making sure your horn works, there's no lights on the dash, no issues with, you know, wipers and all that kind of stuff, water spraying on the windshield. Yes, you need a window washer, a bunch of stuff, but yeah, it's fair few pretty cool cars here too. There's a Ken Mary Skyline right there, it's pretty unique. But we got to be extra stealthy. They don't like you filming this process. Here comes the Z, guys. Time for a quick little brake test and everything. The machines here are so cool. Everything's automated. It automatically adjusts the platform to suit the wheelbase of the car. Super cool. So now he's got to speed up. Dude, dyno, let's see how much power she makes. He's got to hold her at 40 Ks and then brake when the sign tells him to. There it is. Flying colors. Now the headlamp tester is going to move automatically and check each headlamp. I still can't get over how new those headlights look. So the Z just passed the headlight test with flying colors. Now it's getting a brake test done. Super simple. It just pretty much spins it up and he's going to slam on the brakes. It's really cool how it's all integrated into this roller like setup. It's like a little dyno. Super cool. Now he's done. Onto the CO2 stage. And now we got to stick a thing up its pipe. You enjoying that? Dude, it's got 2 exhaust pipes. What do you do with 2? 2 papi muñaño. Now we got to sit there and wait while the car idles. It checks its O2 levels, and the sign up there is going to tell us if it's all green and okay. Come on. Come on. There we go. We got to pass. We good. And now we have this section where the car's going to get shaked, and there's a guy, a staff member, down there in the pit who's going to check over everything on the car and make sure there's nothing like illegally modified or anything like that. And just like that, passed with flying colors. Yee! I generally always find some pretty unique cars here. Obviously, we saw this R31 GTS before, but check this thing out up here. I also saw a mini Moke, believe it or not. That kind of blew me away. But this thing is, if this is real, this is worth a lot of money, isn't it? Is that real? Now, obviously, I'm not very good at old cars, especially from this era, but I think this is worth a lot of money. This thing is so freaking cool. My God, that is awesome. I would not fit in that, but that is sick. Very, very sick. There's a lot of weird panel welding going on down there. Huh. I don't know. I'd like to know what car this is. Tell me down in the comment section. It has like an Abarth. Fiat Abarth 750. Huh. I thought it was a Speedster. My bad. Now we got the paperwork with the Shucken little sticker. So we are good to when? Heisei 5.
So that's 2023?
2024.
2023.
2023? Oh yeah, it's 2021 right now. Yeah, you're right. I hate the Japanese like emperor calendar system. It makes no sense. Anyways, so we've got Shucken now. We just got to go get the plate and then we can drive the Z home. I'm hyped. Well, Roab's going to drive it to our parking spot for us.
Yeah.
And then we'll give him a lift home, and then maybe later tonight we might take the Z for its first drive to Daikoku, PA.
Oh, you don't mean the outside of the Daikoku, PA?
Yeah, no, not the drifting track. Of course not, no. All right, we got our brand new plates. I could have waited a couple weeks and gotten like a 350 Z themed one, but I don't need to worry about anything like that. It's just a filthy Z. And now the Z gets a final check by this guy with the yellow hat, puts the little ceiling thing on the plate, and now it's road legal, ready to drive. It feels so weird that we were just in a tunnel and the Z made pretty much no sound whatsoever. We need to get a trumpet exhaust on that. Looks so good. Yeah. All right, Z Gang shirts on the merch store right now. Obviously not yet. We gotta design something. We got the Z back to our car park near our house, and May, you must be pretty excited.
I am.
You're excited? You got a car to practice with. You can shift, play with the stick and stuff like that, and get used to all that kind of stuff. You'll be able to learn how to drift this eventually too.
Yeah.
It's gonna be good.
Oh, the AC in here is so...
Yeah, the AC in this thing is tight. Super nice. Can you see over the hood? Adjust the seat a bit. Pull this up and... that's probably a little bit too far forward, but... You get adjusters here. I think like one of these raises the seat too. Should be good. Can you see over the hood all right? Yeah, you're good. You're fine. Do you want to give it a go real quick?
No.
No?
No.
Yeah, I don't want you to hit my K-van.
Yeah, no. I do not have a license.
All right, well, that's the Z. Stay tuned for some pretty cool modifications coming to this car. I'm probably gonna take it for a nice drive tonight and just enjoy it, maybe go to Daikoku. So we'll see what we do with the rest of today, but man, so happy. I still can't get over how nice the headlights look now. Roab, thank you so much, man. Appreciate your help today. If anyone needs their car shuck-end in Japan, this is the guy you want to talk to, Rohabi. So I'm now driving the Z, and this thing feels incredible. It feels like a factory, unmolested 350Z. I've never driven one stock like this before, and it feels good. I keep expecting this thing to just have something catastrophically wrong with it, like a rod's gonna shoot out of the block, or transmission's broken, or clutch is broken, or something like that. But I can't fault this thing. Call me skeptic, but like I just, it feels too good to be true, you know? Like this rarely happens that you get a car for so cheap and there's nothing wrong with it. Like I'm just like, where's the catch? I'm just so used to being screwed over. I'm just waiting for that. So I'm just enjoying this thing. It drives butter smooth, it shifts butter smooth, it's got some torque, it feels good. The clutch may be on its way out, but I know this has a dual mass flywheel in it, so I don't really know if that's just the dual mass flywheel taking out that initial kick or something, but I can't fault this thing, it feels great. I'm gonna jump on the highway and we'll pick this up when we get to Daikoku. Yo, this is a sick turnout tonight. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. I love Daikoku, PA. It is totally going back to its roots. Love it. Well, tonight is definitely an amazing night here at Daikoku. And this thing is probably my favorite thing I've seen so far. Oh, he just turned the underglow off, damn it. But anyways, really cool. Pink little, I actually don't know the model of this car, but he has pink underglow and I thought that was sick. But there are a lot of cool cars here tonight. It is packed. And I'm sad to say that you guys are gonna miss out on seeing all the cool cars here, because tonight, I just found out, I just got partnered on Twitch. So I'm gonna celebrate by doing an IRL stream here. If you aren't following me on Twitch, you are missing out. The IRL streams are getting incredible, and I'll put the link down in the description. Make sure you're following the Twitch. But anyways, that aside, guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's video. We have the Z, it is up and running. We are driving it on the streets. I couldn't be more pumped. We just need to put a trumpet on that thing so you can actually hear it, and maybe do a few other things. I think I heard the diff clunking around, so diff bushes might need doing. All right. I have to show you the Hakoskas and old like Ken Mary Skylines here. That L series engine. Woo! So nice. All right. Hope you guys sound so good. That aside, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Once again, smash that like button, write a comment. Tell me how excited you are about the Z build series. We're gonna make this thing into the sickest street drift car you've ever seen. Well, drift car at the track that you can drive on the street is what I mean. We ain't doing anything illegal on this. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one. Peace. Ciao, mata.